What's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. We in Australia. You know what it is. My crib. Welcome to my crib. This is my Xbox. Shut up, Trey. It's my baby Trey. He's been in my pouch.
So what's the day in the life of a koala like?
Sleeping.
What was that? Oh.
Eating. More sleeping. Hanging out with my marsupials.
What's up, Kawhi the Koala?
What's up, Kangaroo Wally?
So, did you hear about the bilby and the numbat being on the endangered species list?
Did you hear that the eastern quail was on there too?
Yeah. Alright, dog. My baby's coming out of the pouch soon. Gotta go check it out.
Alright, man.
It's alright. Alright,
Hold
see you.
up. Bye, Wally. Bastard.
What's your genus and species?
Phascolartos cinereus.
So what's your relationship like with you and Kobe the koala?
Well, you know, we cool. We both in the same family, so, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
We both live in Australia.
Uh-huh.
We both have pouches.
Yeah.
Where's your baby at currently at the time? Kangaroo Wally.
I told him.
I'm gonna show you my house. Got the Xboxes. Got the games. Call of Duty Koala.
So,
That was Kangaroo Wally. Sleeping Koala. Let me show y'all my most prized possession.
what we're doing now.
My freeze. Yeah. It's my baby. It's all leather. I got a chip in it. It does that too. With custom rims. Gotta have that sticker. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This my baby. Give me a few seconds alone.
Priuses are lame.
Shut up! Sorry. Don't listen to them. Alright. Thanks for interviewing my crew. I'll see y'all next time. Stay safe. Wear your seatbelts. Party. I'm out.
Yeah. Yeah. We gonna stay trippy for life, man. Yeah. I'm about to take your girl. Check it.
Bounce it, bounce it. I'm about to throw a couple thousand. Bounce it, bounce it. I'm about to throw a couple